Hello, welcome. My name is David Isamoji. Welcome to another daily t-shirt design tutorial. Yes, it's supposed to be a daily t-shirt design tutorial, but this period it's just been 3 days: Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. But this one is coming to you on a Tuesday for some reasons, but I hope it gets to you well. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right to it. Please, and please don't click off. It's an advice. You might take it, you might decide not to take it, but please don't click off if you want to learn designs for print on demand that makes you passive income. Please don't click off. That's what my channel is all about, and I'm here to help. As you can see, we are 269 subscribers, so if you want to help the channel, you can hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. If you're not subscribed yet, you can hit the subscribe button while we get straight right into it. So I'm going to open Photoshop. It's going to be a simple design. So for this, just open new file. The standard is 4500 by 500 pixel. This is just, you can pause it and just take down the settings. If you're just seeing it for the first time on my channel, press OK. So for this one, it's going to be a simple design. So this one is going to say, think. So for this, Control T to make it bigger. So I like to Control T. So just do that. Drag my mouse. This says think. Press enter, and I'll duplicate this layer. To duplicate this layer, I'll press my Alt key button and my left mouse key button and drag downwards. So this one, I'm going to change it again. Control A to highlight it. So it's going to say like me. It's going to say like me. So for this, I'm going to change this color. I'm going to change the color, so purple violet, yeah. So now I'm just going to move this a bit, yeah, just like that. It says think like me. So now I'm going to bring in a box. I'll create a box. Just create a box. Just create a box here. As you can see. So now I have this box. So I have this box. Now I'm just going to put a line across the two sides, two lines. So I'll do that again. I'm just going to make two lines. So for this line, I'm going to make it white. I'm going to make the line white. So now we have that line. We'll duplicate the line by pressing over onto the white line and pressing our Alt key button and left mouse key button, just drag down a bit and just drag that down a bit too. So now we'll just drag this down. It's a simple design. This design is super simple, trust me, you're gonna love this design. It's super simple. So now I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna duplicate this again. So my Alt key button, my left mouse key button, and then I'm gonna do my Control T and make that 90 degree out by clicking on my right mouse key button. Just make that 90 degree. Apply. So now I can just make it like this. Duplicate this, Control Alt key button, left mouse click button, and just duplicate that like that. So now that we have those four boxes, so now I'm gonna do something amazing here. You guys will already know this game, X and O. That's the way I call it. It's called X and O. I just make it X and O here. So I'm gonna do a similar thing with this design. So first I'll group this layer. Let me group this layer so that I can move it about if I have to. So to do that, I'll outline this rectangle one, press my control key button, outline this to this, and this. So I'm gonna do Control G to put them in one box. So now I can move this up a bit, and I can move my think like me too. I can move it a bit up. So now that I have that all set up, I can now bring in whatever I want to. So it's gonna say so just bring in my, sorry about that. But this is gonna be X, Control A, make this bigger. You can change the font. Just change the font around. Make this white. So just take it to 130. So now that we have that, now that is out of the way. So I'll do Control T to make it bigger. I just want to make it bigger. So Control T. Press down my Alt key button and my Shift key button, my left mouse key button, and just make it bigger. Okay, now I'm okay with that. Totally okay with that. So now I'll just duplicate this. Yeah. And I'll just duplicate it to every box it's supposed to be in. So do that. Alt key button. Just like that. Then I'll bring in my O's. So I'll duplicate this here. So I'll just turn this to O. So I'll go to text, the T, Control A and O. So I'll make that O. Now I'm just going to drag this down like this. I'm going to drag it down like that. And I will need to put up this background to do this final step. So put that off so that I can see my design. So that O copy, I'm going to drag it down again, but this time outside the box. This time it's going to be outside the box. That's where I want it to be. And now I'm just going to bring in my tool. I'm going to just make sure it's super thin. So this one I'll just change the color to I think red. change the color to red, press OK. So now I'll just bring it, I'm going to use it to cross that, you know the way the game goes, but now you're thinking outside the box. You're thinking outside the box. Yes. So now that is it. We have that. So now I'll just fill in my other shapes. Just fill in my other shapes. So this one is going to be another O. So make this O, and then make this an X. And I'll make this an O again. You can see how simple this design is. A simple design. It did not take us too long to get this done, about 11 minutes, and we're done with this design. A simple design, you will love the design. And now all you have to do is just to go to file and save it. Go to file, save as X and O. Save it. Go to file again and just save as PNG. Super important, you always want to save it as PNG. Just click as save as PNG. Save. OK. And now the design is done. You just go to file, make sure we have it in pictures, very important. So it was X and O. So yeah, this is it here. As you can see, that's it there. That's it there. So as you can see, super easy design. We are good to go. So now you can just take your design and post it on Redbubble, Teepublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon, and sites like that. When you upload all these designs daily, make at least 10 different designs daily. Even this simple design, you can just put it in different ways, different colors, make it different fonts, put it there. As long as they're not the same design, make as much as possible. In no time, you start making passive income from print on demand. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you a lot for watching to the end. For those of you that watch to the end, I really appreciate you guys. And I'll be releasing good designs like this that sell, and I will see you in the next video, which should be on Friday. So I'll say thank you and stay blessed.